students. All right, so as promised, I was going to post a cool experiment on our class channel since we had two students, Miracle and Haley, join me for a Friday meeting. Every meeting that I have students attend that Friday, the following Monday, I'll post something onto our class channel. So today we're making DIY or do-it-yourself Play-Doh. You're just gonna have simple ingredients: cornstarch, shaving cream, dye, only if you would like it. You're gonna need some measuring utensils, measuring cups, as well as a fork and a cake spatula, or you can use a spoon. So, first, the recipe calls for 1 cup of cornstarch, and this is 1/4 cup, so I'm going to put 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1 cup. 1 cup of cornstarch and 1/2 cup, this is a 1/2 cup, of shaving gel or shaving cream. So look, I'm just gonna fill that all the way up. Good, we had just the right amount. So here we have our cornstarch. Ooh, and wiggly jiggly, we have our shaving gel. So empty all of that into our large mixing bowl. Okay. And then you're going to stir these together. Okay. Get a good stir. Make sure you all can see that. And we're just stirring and stirring until it's combined. So I'm doing a little mashing here just to get everything incorporated. Okay. I don't mind getting a little messy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go at it with my hands. Oh, this feels pretty cool. Not gonna lie, you guys, this feels pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so we're mixing these together, and just to describe the texture, it's going from soft to, now that I'm kneading it, it's getting that doughy texture. All right. Okay. Feels pretty cool. It smells great. Okay. Okay, so once you've mixed your cornstarch and your shave gel, you do have something that feels a lot like Play-Doh. Okay. This is just a little extra. Now, this is your choice. You don't have to. If you want to add a little food coloring, purple's my favorite color, so I'm going to add that. And I see that it's cracking a little, so I'm just going to add a little extra shaving gel that I have. I'm just going to put that on there. If you see that your Play-Doh is a little dry, feel free to add some more shaving cream. If it's a little too sticky, just go ahead and add more cornstarch, okay? Now I'm going to just knead this to get that purple in there. Okay. Wow. See, once that dye kind of got on there, it got a little sticky, so thankfully I have some extra cornstarch in here. And I'm just gonna mix it through like that. Now you could do this with your fork if you don't want to get your fingers dirty, but I don't mind getting my fingers dirty, so going ahead and I'm mixing it. Oh, has like this cool ribbon effect. I'm kneading right now between my fingers. Okay, and just continue to mix, mix, mix. If you do choose dye, once again, it will make it a little sticky just because that dye is a liquid. So just to counteract and help with that, just add a little cornstarch if you choose. But I actually like the way this feels. And as you can see now, I have some DIY Play-Doh. Your hands may get a little messy. That's okay, just wash them off. But you have Play-Doh that you can now play with. I recommend maybe playing with this on a glass surface, like my surface that I have here, it's glass. Sorry about that towel if it was in the way. And you can, I mean, isn't this awesome? I have my own Play-Doh. So, once again, that was 1 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of shaving gel, 2 drops of dye, or food coloring, which is optional. You don't have to use that. And voila, you have your own Play-Doh. I recommend you store this in a Ziploc bag or maybe Tupperware, something that's airtight, just so it doesn't dry out for you. And once again, play with this possibly outside on concrete or in the backyard or on glass, just in case, to make sure that you don't stain anything in your house, okay? Please keep continuing to attend the Friday meetings, and you'll see more cool DIY and science experiments on our class channel. All right, y'all. Well, I'm actually going to play with this, so I hope y'all have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.